What's up everyone? Tracking user interactions is key for optimizing your site. And today I'll show you how to add a Meta or Facebook pixel to your Webflow site. Let's dive in. First, set up your Meta pixel. You need to go to Facebook Business Manager and navigate to Events Manager and click Connect Data Sources. Choose Web and then Meta Pixel. Follow the prompts to create your pixel and copy the pixel ID. In Webflow, go to your project settings and click on the Custom Code tab. In the Head Code section, paste the MetaPixel base code provided by Facebook. Replace your pixel ID with your actual pixel ID in the code. Alternatively, you can paste the entire pixel code snippet and save your changes. You need to publish your site for the changes to take effect. And to verify that pixel is working, use the Facebook Pixel Helper extension in your browser. Visit your published site and check for any pixel activity. And that's it. You've successfully added a MetaPixel to your Webflow site. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you next time.